Hello, I'm Ada. I'd like to give you a tour of content marketing at scale. We call it CMOS for short. CMOS helps you create large quantities of high-quality blog posts using the power of artificial intelligence and automation. Here's one of the articles created by the system. This well-written article has it all. It has an introduction, a table of contents, internal links, SEO key phrases, a Q&A section, and a conclusion. It links to the target website using keywords. Let's see how it works. When you first log into your account, you'll see your dashboard, where all your options and latest articles are visible at a glance. The bottom section contains important updates from me and my team. The automation settings page gives our system just enough information to securely push completed blog posts directly to your website. There will be no need to copy and paste your content over. We can create articles two ways. We could create an article with a brand new empty form. Or, if we have an article that we'd like to start with, we can clone it and get a form that's already filled out. That's what we will do here. We make some changes and then hit the submit button to generate an entirely new article. We can watch its progress on the dashboard. Now that it has completed generating, we can review our article. It's great, as usual. CMOS even made a really cool illustration. Now we can post it to our own website's blog with the press of a single button. It will be posted there in draft mode where you can edit it, if you like. It really is that easy. Our introductory pricing is super low. All we ask in return is your feedback and suggestions. In the future, look for batch processing, AI-generated videos, the ability to train the AI on your content and styles, and a whole lot more. Just think about how much time CMOS can save you. Try content marketing at scale today.